Are you curious about how you can improve your health and well-being as you get older? What if I told you that there's a simple spice that can have a huge impact on your life? In this video, you'll learn about the incredible benefits of taking cloves daily as we age. You'll be amazed by how this spice can help you with various aspects of your health. As we age, our bodies go through many changes, such as lower energy levels, weaker bones, and a higher risk of disease. But we don't have to accept these changes as inevitable. There's something we can do to support our health and well-being as we enter our golden years. And that's taking cloves every day. Cloves are not only delicious but also have many health benefits. They can boost your immune system, protect against cancer, and regulate blood sugar levels. They can also improve your energy levels and bone health. You don't want to miss this chance to learn about the amazing benefits of this spice. One of the benefits of cloves is that they contain a compound called eugenol, which has been shown to have anti-cancer properties. Eugenol may help stop the growth and spread of cancer cells, making it a potential ally in the fight against cancer. Cloves are one of the richest sources of eugenol, and adding them to your diet may be a simple and effective way to lower your chances of developing cancer. While more research is needed, cloves may offer some protection against this deadly disease. Another benefit of cloves is that they are loaded with antioxidants, which are powerful substances that protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can harm our cells and cause aging and disease. As we get older, our bodies produce more free radicals, which means we need more antioxidants to fight against them. Cloves are a great way to increase your intake of antioxidants, and research has shown that they can help lower inflammation and improve heart health. One more benefit of cloves is that they can help alleviate stomach ulcers, which are sores that form in the stomach lining. Stomach ulcers can cause pain and discomfort, but cloves may offer some relief. Cloves can help increase the production of gastric mucus, which acts as a barrier between the stomach lining and digestive acids. This can help reduce symptoms of stomach ulcers and promote healing. Cloves may be a natural and effective way to treat this condition. Another way that cloves can benefit your health is by safeguarding your liver, which is the organ that removes toxins from your body. Your liver can be damaged by toxins, leading to inflammation and oxidative stress. Cloves can help protect your liver from these harmful effects by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. Studies have shown that eugenol, the same compound that may help prevent cancer, can also enhance liver function. Cloves also benefit older adults because they may help strengthen your bones, which tend to become weaker and more fragile as we age. Cloves may help support your bone health by providing manganese, which is a mineral that helps keep your bones strong and dense. Eugenol, the same compound that may have anti-cancer and liver protective effects, may also help maintain bone health. Another benefit of cloves for older adults is that they can help regulate blood sugar levels, which can become harder to control as we age. This can increase our risk of developing type 2 diabetes, a chronic condition that affects how our bodies use glucose. Studies have shown that cloves can help lower blood sugar levels, making them a great addition to the diet for those who have diabetes or are at risk of developing the condition. Before you start using cloves for their health benefits, there are a few things you need to be aware of. Some people may have an allergic reaction to cloves, so it's important to test a small amount on your skin before applying it or eating it. Cloves may also interfere with certain medications, such as blood thinners and diabetes medications. If you're taking any medications, it's important to consult your doctor before using cloves. Eating too many cloves may cause stomach upset, vomiting, or diarrhea, so using them sparingly is best. Start enjoying the amazing benefits of cloves today. We highly recommend you add this superfood spice to your daily diet. There are many delicious and enjoyable ways to use cloves in your everyday life. You can add them to your dishes, make clove tea, or use clove oil in cooking or aromatherapy. No matter how you use them, you'll love the benefits they bring to your health and well-being. We would love to hear from you if you have already tried using cloves in your daily routine. Share your experiences and the benefits you've seen in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, have fun with cloves.